everybody. I'm Tuấn Nguyen from CG Tech Company in Vietnam, and today I would like to show you about the new map for Southeast Asia. Uh, Take a look at this setting. You go to my map. Here is 2019 software 7 version. The software version is 7.0 Southeast Asia, and uh, everybody's I mean, usually the own of the function is same as the previous version software 6.0. uh, you can input the destination and try address, point of interest, go home, cruise, recently Paris, everything. And or you can see, click on the view map to see where we are here and traffic. But I have something else I would like to show you. This is my iPhone. There is an app called Companion app, and this app you can use this app to send the location, send an address to your car through the map. Take a look at this. I did fly destination. Click here, and then I click on my company, and then I click send to car. Here you see on the display of the audio 20 hit units, there's a notification show up, and then when I click on the start route guidance, that will take me to go to my company, to the address. It take a while. Yes, that's.
Please drive to highlighted route.
Yes, that's it. And you can also use the navigation. I mean, the navigation on the screen behind the steering wheel. And regarding about the companion app, the City companion app, uh, the the function find a destination. This function will be not available when you are arriving, so only when the car stop you can use this function. When the car is driving, is moving, you cannot use it. And in other tab, you can also you will also know about the gas level, the tire pressure if your car have the TPMS, hum automation, some other setting, and you can also see about the audio, audio or when will your car should be serviced in the dealer, and that's it. If you want to buy the map, call us, contact us. The card is 1 year warranty. Thank you.